When the college announced a cultural exhibition, Arjun and Sanya were assigned together for a creative project that required long hours and careful coordination. Days extended into evenings as they planned layouts, discussed ideas, and solved problems with steady focus. For Arjun, the time spent together slowly deepened feelings he already carried, though Sanya treated the collaboration with simple friendliness and professionalism. They shared snacks during late sessions, laughed over minor mistakes, discussed deadlines, and worked through quiet stretches filled only with concentration. Any meaning Arjun sensed existed entirely within him. Suspense filled his thoughts whenever their eyes met briefly or their hands brushed accidentally while reaching for supplies, though she never reacted beyond polite ease. Arjun felt closer to confessing than ever before, believing the moment felt important to him, even if it meant nothing more to her. Fear remained stronger, keeping his words locked away. On the exhibition day, Sanya glowed with excitement and pride, praising their work openly and thanking him for being dependable throughout the process. She spoke eagerly about future opportunities, her voice filled with ambition and confidence. Later, she told him she would be leaving for a special program, encouraged by someone who believed deeply in her potential and supported her growth. Arjun congratulated her sincerely, his smile steady, though something inside him collapsed quietly. That evening, he walked across the campus alone, realizing that love could exist fully without ever being acknowledged. The familiar paths felt heavier beneath his feet, crowded with memories that now carried quiet pain. He understood then that silence had protected him once but had now cost him everything he never dared to express. Still, regret did not erase his feelings. He accepted that devotion sometimes meant stepping aside quietly, allowing someone to move forward unaffected. That realization settled deeply within him, marking a shift he was not ready to embrace completely,